Competency addition in performance module. In order to add competencies, you need to navigate to operations, performance, and under methods, select competency. So the process of adding a competency and assigning competency to the employees is same as that of a KRA. So first step, we go to competency library, click on add competency. You can enter the title, which is nothing but the name of the competency. You can write a description if you want, click on save. And you will be repeating this activity to add other set of competencies. Or you can go with the option of bulk import. You can click on these 3 dotted lines, import, download the sample template. So this is how the sample template will look like. So it has only 2 columns, the first column with the competency name and second column with the description. So you can add the competency of your entire organization in this one sheet and then you can upload it here. So this is the first step to define the competency library. Once this is set, the next step is to assign the competency to your employees. And this can happen based on any one of the options that you see here. So all the options that you see here are same as that we had for KRA, except for role. When it comes to mapping a competency to your employees, you can also go with the option called role. So select any one of the metric, click on tag competency. So we are going with designation. So I'm going to select a designation name. And all the competencies that you have already created will be listed here. You can select a particular competency. Again, you can associate a weightage. Once this is done, you can click on save. So we have now tagged a competency based on designation, that is customer support representative. So all employees who come under the designation called customer support representative will have a competency called problem solving skills. So this is a method of bulk mapping competency to your employees. So next we'll see what are all the different set of settings that you can have with respect to competencies. In order to do that, we'll navigate to settings, performance, and under configuration, we have competency. So the only restriction that we have here is with respect to weightage. So if you don't want to associate weightage to a competency, you can disable this option. In case if you're enabling this option, you can also go with this restriction limit weight to 100%. That is, the sum of weightages of all the competency mapped to a particular condition should be less than or equal to 100% and not more than that. And you can have a question here, which is, who can add a competency? Because in KRA, we had access level permissions. But when it comes to competency, the permissions are set default in the system. That is, the permission to add a competency is available only with the administrator. Apart from administrator, no one else in the organization can add a competency. And then when it comes to mapping a competency to an employee, the admin can do or the concerned reporting manager can do. And these permissions are configured in the system by default and you will not be able to customize it. So this is about the competency module in performance.